Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to do the revision of the chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Know More About MS PowerPoint 2007. So first of all, we'll see what is MS PowerPoint 2007. So as we all know that PowerPoint is a well-known presentation software. I am repeating, PowerPoint is a well-known presentation software and it is a part of Microsoft Office package. It is a part of Microsoft Office package. So, the first key point which is to be remembered is that MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. It is a presentation software, and second thing which we have to keep in mind, it is a part of Microsoft Office package. Then, while we are talking about PowerPoint, we have to talk about presentation. In this, it is a word, it is a presentation software. So, what is the meaning of presentation here? So, my dear students, presentation is a structured delivery of information. I repeat, a structured delivery of information is called a presentation. So, the meaning of presentation is structured delivery of information. Structured delivery of information is called presentation. Now, in presentation, we can use different types of, like we can add pictures, we can add text, we can add animations, then we can add graphics, sound, video, and so many other things are also there which we can add in a presentation. So, like MS PowerPoint, some other software or some of the other examples of presentation software are also there. MS PowerPoint is one of the example of presentation software. Some examples of presentation software which are as Harvard Graphics and Lotus Freelance. They are also similar software or similar application software like MS PowerPoint 2007. So, the two more presentation software you have learned from this chapter, they are Harvard Graphics and Lotus Freelance. Harvard Graphics and Lotus Freelance. They are the examples of other presentation software. Now, the next topic is uses of presentation. So there are several uses of presentation. So we all know the definition of presentation, a structured delivery of information. Now a very easier definition, or you can say the meaning of presentation is that it is a means of conveying our information in an effective way. The means of conveying our information in an effective way is known as presentation. Now uses, how presentation is used, how we are using presentation in our day-to-day life. See, like we are the teachers and you people are the students. So presentation is used by the teachers to make the students understand the given topic. similar manner, the students are also using the presentation to make the topic or to make their homework or to make their classwork understood by the teachers. So it is used by the teachers as well as the students. It is used in different offices. It is used by different politicians, then sales representatives, then you can say used by professors. So these are different uses of presentation. Now the next point is slides. Here a term comes in presentation, slides. What do you mean by a slide? So basically a slide, it is a page in our presentation. A page in a presentation is called slide. So this was all about the introduction, uses of presentation and PowerPoint slides. Now we will see how we will come towards the PowerPoint screen, or how we can use PowerPoint, or what are the ways to start MS PowerPoint on our system. So the very first topic or the very first thing which you will do in order to open PowerPoint screen, the first step is click the start button. You will click on the start button. Then second, click on all programs. Click on all programs. You all know that the start button is of this shape, like somewhat this shape. After clicking on start button, you will go to the all programs option. Then there, Microsoft Office. You will click on the Microsoft Office option, and then in Microsoft Office, you will get the option of PowerPoint. Microsoft Office PowerPoint. After opening Microsoft Office PowerPoint, you will get the option of blank presentation. You will click on blank presentation. I am repeating it again. You can see, first of all, start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, and after Microsoft Office, you will click on PowerPoint, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and after Microsoft Office PowerPoint, you will click on blank option. And after blank, you will click on create button. So in this manner, you will be able to operate, or you will be able to bring MS PowerPoint on your screen so that you can work over it. Now moving on towards your home assignment. Your home assignment is to read the first 2 pages of chapter number 6 and to find out the extra questions from this. The first 2 pages, that means page number 64 and page number 65. You will be reading page number 64 and 65 in your book, and you have to find out the extra questions from these 2 chapters and have to write down in your copies. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you must have understood the 3 topics which we have studied today. Have a nice day ahead.